Hello everyone, this is Hunter at Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're going to be taking a look at a glass bead in a dry blast versus a glass bead in a wet blast. So in the wet blast we have it in the 800 FL, in the dry blast we have it in the 1000. But first we're going to speak to why it's important to hydroblast these parts in our parts washers before we put it into a dry blast or a wet blast. So when you look at this piece, obviously you can see it's greasy, it's oily. So what's going to happen if you throw this in the dry blaster and try to blast it right away is it's going to clump your abrasive. Your abrasive's not going to be usable again. It's just going to be a lot harder to get done, given that there's no water there to wash that, grease, oil, grime away before it gets hit by a glass bead. So it'll just clump, it'll be unusable again, and it's really gonna make the process a little bit dirtier, a little bit more ineffective. Whereas in a wet blast, you can do it in a one-step process, but we recommend that you have a parts washer as well, just because it's gonna keep your water cleaner for longer in your wet blast cabinet. So it's better to be preventative with it and have a dual-step process. But if you're trying to save a lot of time, just want to do it in a one step, that's fine too. It may just lead to more maintenance on your vapor honing machine. So we're going to throw this in our parts washer. We're going to take a look at it after the parts washer. And then we're going to dry blast in a glass bead, wet blast in a glass bead, and look at our differences. So we're back with our piece here that just came out of the parts washer. As you can see, it is completely degreased. There's no oil left on it, which is super critical when going into a dry blast process or a wet blast process for the reasons explained before. It's important to note that this is just an aqueous-based detergent and water that is heated at high pressure, so it's not gonna give you a finish. It's just gonna take the oil off, take the grease off. So we're gonna go ahead and put it in the dry blast cabinet and see what happens. So I blasted this in the VH1000 dry blast, obviously just the top half because we're going to wet blast the bottom half. But this literally, in the video, you can see how quick it was cleaning this up. It took us about 15 seconds to do just this flat top piece here. So we're gonna compare wet blast to it and see what kind of results we get. So stay tuned. So we're back with the wet blasted finish. Took about the same amount of time for the same amount of surface area, about 15-20 seconds. You can see that this finish with a fine glass bead is very identical to the dry with glass bead. Took about the same amount of time. So if you guys have any questions, please let us know. We're happy to help with anything you need. 828-202-5563.